Hey everybody, so I reached 200 likes on my Facebook page, The Secret Painter, and it blows me away. So in honor or recognition, I guess, of everyone that has already stepped in and said that they like what I do, I'm doing a giveaway, and the lady's name that was drawn, her favorite color is purple. So that's going to be the main color that we're working with today. Of course, all of the colors will be listed in the description below, along with a link if you want to have that specific color. Again, my ratio is 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and 80% of the paint that you put in, match that with water. It's just the way I do it. Again, if something better works for you, go for it. Share it with me. I'd love to try it. But to this piece, I'm blown away. I never expected 2 followers, much less 200. So thank you so much. For future giveaways, if you would like to be, if your name to be put in, go to Facebook, like my Facebook page. That's where those posts are. Learning Instagram, so forgive me for that. But I'll be right back. I'm going to put the camera down towards the canvas and let's create something today. Alright, take care and stay healthy. I'll see you guys in a second. Hey everybody, so I went ahead and flooded the canvas because that seems to take so much time. So I'll go ahead and pop those bubbles really quick. Okay, I think I see something in my paint. Just 1 second. I forgot to strain my Floetrol. This is what happens when you don't strain it. Let's see if there's anything else on there I may have missed. You can take your canvas and tilt it sideways, just barely enough to get the paint to move, and anything that is in there to keep the paint from having a flat surface will bulge up and you'll be able to see it. Little Floetrol boogers are so aggravating. Cannot believe that. So, newbie tip, whenever you're using the Floetrol, this stuff right here, whenever you go to use it, if you can run it through a strainer, run it through, even if you just put a paper towel over your cup and gently pour it in, it'll help and you won't have that issue. So the lady today that won my drawing or my giveaway for the 200 likes on Facebook, her favorite color is purple. So we're using dioxazine purple from Liquitex Basics. I'm going to put that in here. Because it's so dark, we're going to use a couple of other colors as well to kind of bring that out just a little bit. We're going to use the Berry by DecoAt Metallics. You can see the purple has almost disappeared in the black. So that is, we've got some purple hues to it. We're going to add some Shimmering Silver by DecoAt Metallics and 24 Karat Gold by DecoAt Metallics. Okay, I'm going to flood this with the black. Now this is just black by Craftsmart. You can buy it at Michael's. It's their brand. For me, it works just as good as any of the others. Okay, just 1 second. I'm going to take where I flooded it around and push that over the paint. So you can see it's already starting to really create some really pretty cells. So let's hope and pray that this turns out good. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I'm such a dork. Like, I'm sorry, I'm a dork, and I'm totally okay with that. Oh, wow. You guys, like, oh, wow. Oh, that's so exciting. Guys, listen, being stuck at home because of this corona has brought me to the brink of insanity, and painting has helped me so much. And it's for moments like this, whenever what you're hoping happens. It's just, oh guys, it's great. I'm telling you, you gotta try it. You mess up, and it's okay. It's just paint. It's okay. I'm thinking about pre-mixing some of these paints in small bottles and putting them on sale at Etsy, so that way, you guys can just go for it and not have to worry about the measuring and the ratios. But oh guys, it's so pretty. I'm gonna give it a quick torch, see if there's any cells or colors waiting to pop up. Oh. Oh guys, it's so pretty. Oh, my rule of thumb is if you are 80% happy with it, leave it alone. But there's this corner, and it's so lonely. But I don't know. Oh. Okay. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to blow on it just gently to see if I can get anything to move that way just a little bit. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm done. Okay. I'm going to leave it alone. No? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to not sleep. Yes. Okay. Hang on 1 second. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to leave it alone. Okay. I got to go. I got to turn this camera off. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay, for a second I thought it had stopped recording. Oh, gracious. I was so upset because it's so pretty and I wanted you guys to see it, but it's still recording. So, okay, so I've got to turn this camera off before I mess anything up. So, okay, I'm done. Thank you guys for joining me. I will bring it down to show you up close, and thanks again for joining me. All right, stay safe and stay sane. And stay healthy, everybody. Just 1 second. Okay, guys, look at these cells. Look. It's so pretty. This is just water, Floetrol, and the paint. It's just, oh, it's so pretty. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. I hope and pray that it dries this pretty. Oh, that's just fantastic. All right, take care, everybody. Bye.